Hello student, welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to learn about a new lesson, that is lesson number 3, working with Windows. So in this we are going to work with Windows. On which window in a computer we are going to work, we are going to see this, that whether it is a Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10, okay, or Windows XP we are going to use in this. All this thing we are going to see. Then we also see what is the how to start, what is the start button. Then we are going to see what is the icons, taskbar. Even we are going to see files, how to create a files, folders, okay. All this thing we are going to see in this chapter. That's why the lesson name is working with Windows, okay. Here is the operating system. All of you know, when you start a computer, a blue screen will appear, and in the blue screen there are some Windows type icons will come, and it is written in that Windows 7, Windows XP. Okay, in XP it will come black screen, okay, and there it is written down Windows XP. In Windows 7 it will come blue screen and written Windows 7. 10 the same, Windows 10, okay. So it is the important part of the computer, okay. So the most important program of computer is operating system. It is a medium through which you can interact with the hardware using software. This is the medium between hardware and software. Hardware means that is your keyboard and mouse. Whatever the instruction you can give to computer through keyboard or mouse, this operating system, that is a software, it will convert it into the software and give you and act according to your instructions, okay. So the next is, it control all the activities of computer. There are various type of operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. So this, it control the all the activities of the computer. Whether you have, for example, if you are giving the sum of two number, so it will see that you have given send a numbers, okay, and then it will see the that symbol of plus, means you want to do a addition. It will control all this activity and give you the result. So all this done by the operating system. There are so many operating system like Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. These are the operating system. So this is the Windows 7. I think you have seen this in your school. When you open the window, this blue screen will appear, and like this Windows 7 it will be appeared. Yes, these are the Windows Vista, okay. These are some operating system. Windows XP, all of you familiar. See, I told you that Windows XP will come in a black in color, and it will be written there Windows XP, okay. This is nothing but the software which will control all the activities of the computer. Whatever instruction you will give the computer, it will be controlled by this operating system. Now got it, what is operating system? Here are some features of Windows. The first version of Windows operating system was Windows 95. So when the computer started in the beginning, okay, at that time the which operating system was used, that is Windows 95. When first time when the computer come, at that time which operating system we are using, we are using at that time Windows 95. So it was a first operating system. This Windows 95 was a first operating system. There are some most popular operating system also there, okay. Most popular Windows versions are Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows Vista and Windows 7. These are some of the most popular Windows version, that is Windows 98, 2000, XP, okay. Windows 10 is the latest version. Now we are using which version of Windows? It is a Windows 10, okay. 10 version of the Windows we are using now, okay. And up till now we have used Windows 7, okay. Windows 7 has become very popular, okay. This Windows 7 is most popular among all these things, all these Windows, that is XP, 2000, Windows Vista. Okay, from all this Windows 7 has become very popular due to following features. So the features is Windows is attractive and easy to use. This operating system Windows 7 is attractive and easy to use because the use of the beautiful graphics makes Windows very attractive operating system. It is very easy to use. You give command with the help of mouse rather than typing them. Okay, you can give command using mouse rather than you can type. Okay, in the previous you have to type to give a command, but here with the help of mouse you can give the command. That's why this window is attractive and easy to use. The next is searching made easier. This using this Windows 7 we can search quickly. Okay, and more thing in more place in the computer. We can search many things and quickly we can search. That's why it is searching made easier. Then Windows support multitasking. So in this Windows 7 we can write, we can draw, we can listen music, all this thing we can do at a single time. That's why this Windows support multitasking. That's why it is more popular than any other Windows. Then the next is jump list, that it is a new feature. Okay, that which takes straight to document, pictures, song or web site that we have visit recently. Whatever the site you have visit recently, that whether it is a document, whether it is a song or pictures like paint. Okay, so it will take you on that site directly. Okay, then Windows 7 taskbar. This Windows 7 taskbar is more flexible and application oriented. Okay, so whatever you open in the Windows, it will give you on the taskbar it will give you the notification that which Windows has been opened in Windows 7. Like if you open a songs, or you have and with that you have also open searching, you are doing searching on Google, so it will show that your music is also open, your Google is also open. At the same time you have open a drawing, that it's also show that the drawing window is also open. So that is very flexible and application oriented Windows. Got it? This the features of the Windows. Okay, now the next is starting Windows. When you switch on a computer, Windows start automatically. Okay, and display a welcome message. When you switch on the computer, you will get the welcome message like your welcome to Windows XP, Windows 7, 2000 or Windows 10. Okay, like this you get the you will automatically display a welcome message on the when you start Windows. Okay, after that it is followed by the first screen of Windows known as desktop. After getting the message, automatically message from Windows, then your first screen of Windows you will see a blue screen are there. Okay, blue or any other color, that is nothing but the desktop. Whatever the first screen appear on the Windows is a desktop. Okay, on this desktop it contains some graphics or symbols known as icons. That small that my computer, or sometime my computer is there, recycle bin is there, Google Chrome is there. This is nothing but the whatever you will see the graphics or symbols on the desktop, this is called icons. That is nothing but the icons. Now see, here this blue screen is nothing but the desktop. On this desktop there are this recycle bin, Google Chrome, Windows Update. This is nothing but the icons. Got it? What we get after starting Windows? We get first, yes, we get message, welcome to window 7, okay, or window 10, and after that we get the first screen on the window. That appear a first screen on the window is called a desktop, okay. And the small graphics are there or symbols are there, that is nothing but the icons. Got it this? Okay. So in this class we have learned about working with Windows. In this we have learned that about operating system, that operating system is nothing but the most important programs in computer, okay, which is called operating system. It is a medium to interact between hardware using softwares. Okay, we also seen the different operating systems like XP, Windows XP, Windows 2000, Vista, okay. And now the latest version we are using is Windows 10, and the most popular version is Windows 7. Why this Windows 7 is most popular version? We have seen the features that Windows 7 provide in the computer, like Windows attractive and easy to use. Then we also see that it is search made easier. We can search any, it can search quickly in this Windows 7, okay. Then we also see that Windows 7 support to the multitask. At the same time we can do different type of tasks. Then we also seen a jump list. We also seen that Windows 7 taskbar, that it is more flexible and application oriented. Because of these features that Windows 7 is most popular. Then after that we have seen that Windows starting. What will happen once window gets started? When window gets started, welcome message, you get welcome message, welcome to Windows XP 2000s or 7, XP 7 or XP 10, okay. All these will appear on the window. After that the first screen appear. After that first screen appear, it is not nothing but the desktop, and the small graphics symbols are there, is nothing but the icon. All these things we have learned in today's class. Now we are going to meet you in next class. Till then you have to revise all these things. Till then, take care. See you in next class.